This is Blink Wired Doorbell 2K+. 2K video, hardwired reliability. Continuous wired power means no charging. Now let's install it and see how simple the setup is. Inside your box, you've got the Blink Wired Doorbell 2K+, mounting bracket, screws, and a jumper cable. If you're new to Blink, begin by downloading the Blink Home Monitor app and creating your account. The Blink app is the command center for all of your Blink devices. It's where you can see, control, and customize everything right from your phone. Once the app is installed, open it up and tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Video Doorbell. Next, flip your doorbell over and scan the QR code printed on the back. Now, the app will ask you to choose a system, and if this is your first Blink device, tap Create a New System. But if you already have a Blink system, you can add this doorbell to that one. Today, we're creating a new one, and I'm gonna name mine Home. Then tap Continue. A system is simply a group of Blink devices you'll be able to arm and disarm your whole system of cameras easily and all at once. Arming your system will enable you to get alerted when motion is detected. And you can even set a schedule to arm and disarm automatically. Now we're ready to hook up and power our Blink Wired Doorbell 2K+. For this step, you'll need a power drill, a Phillips head screwdriver, tape to secure the mounting template, and the other included hardware from the box. The app will now ask if you have a standard wired doorbell system. If your home's existing doorbell makes this sound, you have a standard system with a doorbell receiver mounted on a wall inside your home. And if you see this box, choose Standard Doorbell Wire System. If not, press No, and the app will guide you through alternate options like using a Blink wired power adapter. Today, I'm installing my Wired Doorbell 2K+ on a standard system. Before touching any wiring, turn off your power to your doorbell and your doorbell receiver at your home circuit breaker. This protects both you and your device. So after switching it off, try ringing your old doorbell to confirm that the power is fully off before continuing. Now, this is important. There is a risk of electrical shock. If you're not comfortable with this step, contact a licensed electrician. Next, remove the cover from your doorbell receiver, then loosen the screws. Install the provided jumper cable inside, linking the trans and front terminals, and retighten, keeping your previous doorbell wires in place. Installing the jumper converts your doorbell receiver into a power source for your Blink Wired Doorbell 2K+. This means your traditional mechanical receiver will no longer ring when someone presses the doorbell. To hear audible doorbell sounds in your home, get Blink Chime, a Blink Mini, or an Alexa-enabled device. Your phone will also alert you when someone rings the bell. Next, we'll remove the old doorbell. Use a drill to detach the old bell from the door frame. Then use a screwdriver to gently loosen the screws to free the wires. Once the bell is fully removed, tape the paper drill template included in your package where your previous doorbell was attached. Then drill a hole at the top and bottom of the template and remove it. Screw the back plate into your pilot holes using the included screws. Now we'll connect the wires to the Blink Wired Doorbell 2K+. It doesn't matter which wire connects to which screw, just make sure the wires are secure by gently tugging to test. Finally, place your Blink Wired Doorbell 2K+ on the back plate. Push it firmly until you hear and feel a slight click to confirm it's secure. If you ever need to remove the doorbell, you can just use this tool that comes in the box to unlock it from the back plate. Next, switch your power back on and we'll finish connecting your Blink Wired Doorbell 2K+ to your system. After about 10 seconds, the indicator lights will turn on, letting you know it's discoverable. Join the temporary Wi-Fi network coming from the wired doorbell. The app will then ask you to connect your doorbell to your home Wi-Fi. So enter your Wi-Fi password, and the app will connect your new Wired Doorbell 2K+ to the system's Wi-Fi. Now, at this point, the app may update your doorbell's firmware. Just wait until this is complete. And that's it. Your Blink Wired Doorbell 2K+ is connected and ready to use. Now that your doorbell is mounted and synced, the Blink app will walk you through your personal settings. Don't skip this part. The first thing I always set up is motion and privacy zones. Think of motion zones as your doorbell's focus. You're telling the camera exactly where to look for activity. This is huge if your doorbell faces a sidewalk, passing cars, or something that moves like tree branches or a flag. Without motion zones, cars or shadows can trigger an alert. Zones help keep alerts focused on exactly what you want. And privacy zones are different. These are areas the camera will not record at all. For example, a neighbor's door or window. Blink lets you set up 2 privacy zones, and you'll see them as grayed out areas on screen. Once your zones are set, there are a few other settings worth checking out. You can fine-tune motion sensitivity, adjust clip length, and you can also connect your doorbell to Alexa, which lets you hear doorbell rings on Echo devices, get motion announcements, and even pull up live view with a simple voice command. Spend a minute dialing these in, and your doorbell will be smarter and customized to your liking. That's it, you're all set. Enjoy your new Blink Wired Doorbell 2K+.